Hi everyone, Christian from MacDon again. We're here today, we're going to explore one of our draper header service kits. So what this kit is it's a small collection of commonly replaced parts, perfect for a new MacDon owner with an FD2. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. What's inside? What's in the box? I'll show you what's in the box. And we've got a selection of hardware. So these are a bunch of section retaining bolts as well as guard retaining bolts. So there's a good collection there. We've got guards, pointed guards. So we've got the two most common, with or without the ledger bar. These ones go on the ends by your drive. These are your standard replacements. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 guards with the ledger bar and one without. This goes at your sickle drive end. You also get a 25 pack of, in this case, coarse sections, and you get one hydraulic MacDon filter complete with both style O-rings, both the square and the round. This filter fits multiple applications, so make sure you check on your old one whether or not it's using the square or the round O-ring. Clear instructions inside. Inside our hardware bag, we're going to get 25 pack section retaining bolts, both the long, medium, and short variety, guard attachment nuts, and some guard attachment bolts. Everything a new MacDon FD2 owner needs to get you going. So if you're looking for some MacDon products, check out the Gear Shop, where you can find things like belt buckles, socks, t-shirts, more t-shirts. Did I mention t-shirts? Hats, lots of hats. All available at the MacDon Gear Shop.